What these dots actually are showing here, lots of lightning storms have been detected. So there's lots of lightning that's occurring within the system. And we see that the central part where the eye is located is one of the areas where there's an activity. Heavy. What we have facing us is a major category 5 hurricane that is over the waters of the Caribbean Sea and closer and closer to mainland Jamaica. It is some distance over 100 miles to the south of the island at this time, and it is expected, but it has already done a slight turn toward the northwest of the first minute past there, so it's westward from southwest of the island to now just south of west of the island. It is moving now to the northwest. It suggests that it's going to be moving. It suggests that what we have facing us is a major category 5 hurricane, and it's over the waters of the Caribbean, closer and closer to inland Jamaica.